ChatGPT.
Overrated.
Overrated.
Not ready for prime time.
Staffing shortage.
Underrated. Huge problem in healthcare, needs to be fixed.
Conferences.
In general, overrated, but there's not enough good focus on the appropriate ones.
I'm going to say overrated as well, but right conference, you do work ahead of time, you can get a lot of them.
There's too many.
Cost transparency.
Underrated, there should be more of it in healthcare, should be ubiquitous.
Underrated.
Travel nurses.
Overrated, I think most health systems are trying to get rid of their agency nurses and get back to regular staffing.
Overrated.
Jim Jameson.
Definitely-
Seriously underrated.
Yeah, definitely underrated. I mean, should be on a pedestal.